Hey everyone, how's it going today? cryptoFOXXY here. Thanks so much for stopping by the channel. So let's have a look at Render. Render has been having some pretty great price action so far in the last 7 days. So let's jump into it. Let's look at why Render has been gaining such momentum. Coinbase has has launched perpetual futures for Render and a couple of other coins. So let's take a look at some of the analysis here, and we're going to start off by taking a look at the price action on CoinMarketCap here. Sitting right now at $6.32, up 37% in the last 7 days. Render has been seeing some pretty impressive movement. So let's jump into our article here. So make sure you guys smash the like button and subscribe to the channel as well. Stay on top of your crypto news. I cover a lot of AI crypto as well. I think that's going to be a massive factor in this next bull cycle. So let's talk about Render. Coinbase International Exchange has announced it will add support for perpetual futures of Render, Saga, and a threshold on both Coinbase International Exchange and Coinbase Advanced. So this is going to officially launch on or after August 29th, 2024 at 9:30 a.m. UTC time. So what's with the impressive market performance? What's going on there? The token's undergone a tremendous climb with current price hovering around where I mentioned actually it's gone up. The value of Render has increased a lot over the last 24 hours and a lot over the last 7 days as well, up the high 30% range. We have also moved Render to the top of today's gainers list, so that is really cool. It is among the top gainers on today. I did check that out. Actually, I'm going to go have a look here and see where the top gainers are here. So ASI, we have a number of AI cryptos. Render is definitely up there as well. So let's jump back over to this tab. Data from CoinGlass reveals OI, which is open interest weighted funding rate for Render, is at 0.0079%, and this indicates a cautiously bullish outlook for the token. So the network's recorded a 17.7% increase in the quantity of frames produced in Q1 of 2024, as CNF previously reported, and this expansion is largely due to incentive packages meant to encourage node operators and GPU providers on the network. So basically, bottom line is the network is being used, the network is growing, and the number of daily active addresses and whale transactions on the network increased significantly in July. So this is indicating that Render's network services are becoming more widely adopted and used. So we know Render is the NVIDIA of basically AI crypto. So what does that necessarily mean? Well, Render provides a service to customers, and what they do is they allow their network to be used for rendering. So if you need computing power, if you don't have necessarily the advanced technology that you need to provide AI services, you can rent out what Render has in their network to be able to perform AI tasks and things like that. Normally any AI services, they really need a really robust network, a dedicated network that is, has high uptime. Obviously they need a ton of computing power, a ton of investment is needed into that as well. And not everybody has the means or the funding to do that. So Render provides this as a service. You just pay for basically what you need, and you don't have to go out and spend thousands and thousands of dollars on, high-end, components to kind of meet your tasks. So that's what Render's doing. Render's doing a very good job at it as well, as we can see by the network growth, and also the price momentum is going pretty well also. So obviously we got a really big week coming up. We have NVIDIA earnings coming. So, this can also impact AI crypto. So we're going to wait and see what happens there. We're seeing a ton of AI crypto starting to run. So just beware. We're going to watch and see what NVIDIA comes out with this week in terms of, revenue and things like that. We're going to see what they're going to be reporting as, and hopefully we will get some great numbers and continue this run. But that's what I got for you in this video. Thanks so much for tuning in, and I will catch you in the next one.